Hello, all the senior police authorities. I really request you to understand and diagnose the whole situation as per what I'm showing you. This is a date of 19/6/2021, which was my birthday. On this day, I had gone to JJ Hospital police station and the police had taken my complaint and put this signature. Okay. The police had taken my complaint and put this signature. I have given two copies. The police made me write two complaints, separate two complaints. First, when I went, that time the police made me write one complaint. And then later, after the accused was called and the accused said that he is not willing to pay more than for my damages, the police requested me to make another complaint which I had written. That complaint is not seen. I can just see one complaint, and unfortunately police says that I made video shoots and photo shoots of the police and the department and what. Actually, I had not done anything, and all this is seen. The corruption of the police is seen. See, police, I had taken a photo of the accused because the accused said that she is not willing to pay. When I had proofs of so many people who had complained that the accused is a very dirty lady, and she is very selfish and very mean, and she is a cheater, and I have so many evidences to prove that the accused is a cheater, because it's not me. There are several complainants against the accused who have spoken bad about her. Now it will get clear in this paper which I am showing you. I had taken the photo of the accused. Now that photo was deleted by the police. If the police wanted some evidence that this lady is taken photos of the police stations and the police, then why do the police have some proofs that that they are saying that I have taken photos? Why should I take photos? What is police done of mine that I should take photos of police and the police stations and all that? What business do I have with the police? I do have business with the lady, and I wanted to prove it to people because I am an activist. I wanted to prove to everybody that this lady is a cheater and do not go to this lady. I was doing it for the well-being of the society, but the police misunderstood me and they said that she is removing photos. They even deleted the photo of the accused, and this is what corruption the police did. They deleted the photo of the accused, and see this. This is a copy, and see this. This is a written copy which I had given. The police has not taken my complaint. The police has not taken my complaint. The complaint is not even registered. The complaint is not registered. The police has not taken my complaint. Can you please check my complaint? This is my complaint. This is police ka signature. This is a signature of the police. This is a stamp of JJ Hospital police station. And in that, no date was mentioned. I had to write the date because Borate told me to write the date myself manually. So I had to write the date, it was a police ka duty to write the date on which date they had received the complaint. They did not. Can you please check if this particular complaint, see, I am sending you the video of the complaint. I will also send you the screenshot of the complaint, and this is the complaint. This is my entire complaint. I had written it in a hurry because the police wanted me to write it immediately and send it across. The police was not ready to make an FIR, which they should have ideally done. They did not even register my complaint in the register book. Is this the rules of what is? I do not understand. What is the rules of FIR and what is the rules of complaint? If a complainant comes, does the police kick off the complaint by throwing and thrashing and touching the phones and doing what not? Even if I remove the photos of the police station, what business it is for the police? I am a complainant, and if I removed photos of the accused, or if I removed, first of all, I never remove photos of any kind of police. I have that much of dignity. The police did not do that much harm. At least they had the decency of giving me 3,000 rupees. I thank the JJ police station for that. But the police did not even listen to the amount of damages I had. Had the police listened to my damages, they would have understood that yes, this girl has gone through so many damages and we'll ask for more. We will tell this lady to give more. That means the police was bribed by the accused, and this is a clear shot evidence that the accused complaint was never put on record. in the police registers. So what is the use of me going to the police station and filing the complaint? I wasted more than 5 hours in the police station. She called me on my birthday, and on my birthday I have got several beatings and several kicks from the police station. Is this kind of behavior so legitimate? How